anyone foolish enough to follow in its footsteps. You have been sentenced to death for the crimes of piracy, thievery, and conspiracy against the world government. Do you have any last words? Take these off. Start into it. I warned you. That I did, but I know. Now I'm bringing it to one more. Government, I declare your life. You want to know where my treasure is? I'll tell you. Bring yourself. My treasure.
For sure. Kasi, di ba, hindi nila kayo nagsasabi sila ng brand, di ba? Yung sa first batch, hindi nila nagsasabi, this week or next week, di ba, wala? Sa atin lang. Oo, siguro. Kasi siya daw yung may direct contact sa kanila. Yung sa pagdating na sila tapos sa pag-imbisan ka, hindi pa siya wala pa siya. Kasi, racing. Kaya nga, sabi ko sa'yo, end of July na nila na-practice, tapos end of July, tapos nakawan lang yung end of Oo. Kaya nga, plus 2 weeks, kaya nga, estimate. Estimate talaga this week. Yun yung sa 2 weeks talaga. Nasa 15 na. Oo. Mas ako. Kasi dahil ako nag-ticket. Kung darating yung COE this week, Let's try, bro. Let's try.
Lol. Lan.
Alam mo ba, hindi lang tayo.
I know someone must be after me. Who else is worthy of this pursuit? Catalyst.
Kaya nga, kasi, kaya nga.
Ba?
Stress talaga tayo.
Harvey, clean up this mess.
Oo.
Malabatok bilabot.
Ganun ba? Hindi pa natin alam kung saan tayo, di ba? Kung sa uso pa. Pwede naman yung camera mo, yung pants lang, yung personal. Okay, okay. Eh, ang hirap naman talaga. Ewan ko ba, bakit yun?
So, you want me to meet someone, huh? Who is it?
Si Rona, si Rona? Tapos yung kumbaga si Jessica na si Mucho yun, si Mucho. Yung daw siya nag-iilo. Kahit yun yung problema sa'yo. Kasi dapat alam nila yung mga process. So, dapat yung kasi yung sila yung before, kasi kung anong target days ng company, dapat qualified sila na makuha nila yun. Makomplete yung mga documents. Ang nasa akin talaga yung pakarang-tagang nila. Oh, at least magpapawin mo. Pero, sabihin ko ha, kung sasabihin naman na ni Mother, so, balik, sabi niya, booking tayo this month. So, balik, balik lang yung allowance natin. This month. Oo. Kasi yung sa first batch, sa Friday yun natin.
Heard that.
What about me?
Kaya ako kasi kaya ko mag-book na lang ako ng ticket kasi kung hindi.
Yes!
Ang galing talaga natin mag-book na. Yun yung nilagay ko mga date sa calendar. Mas maganda. Alam mo ba, iba talaga yung premiere kasi pag SS na hindi talaga, wala na talagang video. Na siya alam.
After all that and something, can someone so level-headed really be a juvenile delinquent?
Said you're barely holding it together. It showers after PE anyway.
Guess I was wrong about him. I'm so shy about
Oo, kaya, kaya nga, kaya.
That wasn't even him I saw beating up those guys.
Kaya nga.
Hey, dude, why do you take off your shoe like a 9-year-old? Give that back to me!
He's totally rolling your neck down.
Let's go.
He just left left away. So
Pwede rin si Bakit?
I just want to get famous, bro.
Ito, import ka, di ba? Kasi may tanong
Please, guys, like and subscribe,
Ikaw lang ba?
and I'll beat more of them.